Number 13, which equation can be used to find the volume of the cylinder? So let's go ahead and start off by writing out the formula for volume of a cylinder. So opening up my formula chart, we find that the formula for volume of a cylinder is V equals big B times little h. So I'm going to go ahead and write that. So V equals big B times little h. So B stands for the area of my base. Now, on a cylinder, your base shape is a circle. And by this point, you should automatically know that the formula for area of a circle is pi times r squared. So then my equation now becomes pi times r squared times the height of my prism. So looking at my cylinder here, specifically looking at my base, we have the number 7 here, and this line goes all the way across. So this to me indicates that we are talking, or 7 is indicating that that is going to be the diameter. But I need to know the radius. So to find the radius, it's going to be half of the diameter, and 7 divided by 2 is going to equal 3.5. So I'm going to plug in my radius here. So this is going to be pi times 3.5 squared. And we don't know the height, so we're just going to multiply this by the height. And again, we're just trying to see which equation we would plug into our calculator to find the volume of this cylinder. So looking at A, again, this has to match. I see that they gave the radius of 7, and again, our radius is 3.5. So A is incorrect. Then we have B. They have 7 and H inside the parentheses together, and they're squaring it. For starters, 7 is your diameter, not your radius, so that is why it's wrong. But also the fact that they put 7 and H together, because they're telling you that you need to square H, and we do not square H. And then that is also why C is incorrect, because they have 3.5 times the height, and then they want you to square it. Again, you're only squaring the radius. You are not squaring the height. And then lastly, D is our answer. We have pi times the radius squared and then times the height. So D is your answer.